If you've ever struggled with keeping your team's workload balanced or wondered who's got too much on their plate, today's tutorial is for you. We're going to walk through how to visualize staff capacity using Asana's workload feature in portfolios. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot potential overloads, rebalance assignments, and ultimately keep your team working efficiently and sustainably. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you need to create or select a portfolio in Asana. A portfolio is basically a collection of projects grouped together for easy monitoring. If you already have a portfolio that includes the projects your team is working on, go ahead and open that one. But if not, just create a new portfolio and start adding all those relevant projects you want to keep an eye on for your team's capacity. Imagine a portfolio like a dashboard for tracking not individual tasks, but the big picture across several projects. Make sure every key project is included so that the workload calculation will be as comprehensive as possible. Once you've got your portfolio set up, the next step is to navigate to the Workload tab. It's located right at the top of your portfolio view. When you click on Workload, Asana automatically gathers all the tasks with assignees and due dates from each project in your portfolio. It's like gathering every piece of actionable work and displaying who's responsible for what and when, so you're not missing any assignments or silent tasks. This aggregation is really important because it gives you a clear, consolidated picture rather than making you jump between projects and spreadsheets. Now, let's look at monitoring team capacity. The workload view shows each member of your team in a timeline chart, almost like a personal calendar, but focused on how full their week is. Next to each person's name, you'll notice horizontal bars that span over days or weeks. These bars represent how much work they've been assigned. There's a simple color code. Green bars mean that person is within their set capacity, so their workload should be manageable. But if you spot any red bars, pay attention. Those signal that a team member is over capacity and possibly at risk of burnout or missed deadlines. It's a bit like a fuel gauge. Green means you're good to go. Red means it's time to slow down and refuel. If you notice any overloads or imbalances, the great thing is you can rebalance workload right from this view. All you have to do is drag and drop tasks between team members until everyone's assignments fit within their capacity. For example, if you see Maria has a red indicator next week, but Tom's bar is still green, you can directly reassign a task to Tom and watch Maria's bar shift back toward green. It's quick, visual, and you'll see the results instantly, which helps avoid tough last-minute conversations or bottlenecks. Don't worry if your team's schedule is a little complex at first. Sometimes this part takes a few tweaks to get right, but you'll definitely get the hang of it. Now, to make your workload tracking truly meaningful, let's talk about configuring how capacity is measured. By default, Asana uses task count, meaning each task assigned counts toward a person's workload. But if your team works with more nuanced estimates, click on the settings and switch the unit to hours or points. For instance, maybe some tasks are 15 minutes, but others take a full day. Setting hours or points lets your workload reflect the real effort involved. Once you change the unit, define the maximum capacity for each person, say 30 hours per workweek. Asana will now use this limit when showing whether someone is in the green or red, which is much more reliable, especially for teams juggling different complexities or working part-time. This fine-tuning can make the difference between guessing and really knowing who might need help or who's ready to take on something new. Using the workload view in portfolios gives you instant, actionable insights into your team's bandwidth, helping you make smart resource decisions and prevent burnout before it starts. If you want to go deeper into any of these settings, Asana's Help Center is a great resource for tips and troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, leave any questions or experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to guides just like this one. See you in the next video.